Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Texter video app. So all you have to do is open the CapCut, or you can use any video editor that's similar with CapCut. And I use CapCut as a primary video editor because it's easier to use. It's very simple. And open one of your projects that you want to edit. And here, the Texter video app, what I mean is you can use your project as a video with text. So for example, here you can add sound or not. For example, I will delete the audio first. So you can choose this image to create a video texter. Here let's make it short, and then you can tap on video, tap on the blank space, add text. Here you can add text anything you want here. For example, no idea. Here you can choose the fonts. You can add custom font. You can download from the internet, or you can use the style here. You can add a glow, but you have to be pro if you want to make it perfect. And also, this is the effects that you can try. Let's make it bigger. And also you can add animation into the text. Here. And then after this you can add more effect or sound to make it a more variety, to use a video texter, to create video texter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so contact button below. See you in the next video.